Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 12 ML1 Sorority Dues. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Web Development, Medical, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan and come on my WhatsApp chat. I can do all online courses on MyItLab, Pearson, Sankey, Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First, we will click on Enable Editing button. Okay, so we'll select this title and increase the font size of this title, and I will highlight this title for a proper view in my video. Okay. I will highlight this. Title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 12 Mid-Level 1 Sorority Dues. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay. Then we will select this instruction file, then increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. Okay, so moving on, next question is question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 12 Mid-Level 1 Membership Dues. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson MyItLab dashboard. I am going to opening my Excel workbook. You can see this my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson MyItLab dashboard portal. Okay, so moving on, next question of this assignment is question number 2. In question number 2, okay, click or select cell A1, delete the template text and enter membership dues. Okay, simply click on cell A1. Okay, we will delete this text and then we will type enter membership dues. So delete the template text. Simply click on delete button. Okay, so we will enter membership dues in cell A1. MEMBER membership dues in cell A1. Okay, so moving on, next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is that delete column L. We will select column L and delete column L. We will simply select column L and click on delete button, or we will go to the home tab in the cells group, click on delete columns, delete sheet column. Okay, so moving on, next question is question number 4. In question number 4, select the range A1 to L7 and clear all data validation that was included in the template. First we will select this range, enter this range, go to the data tab, and then we will clear all data validation that was included in the template. Go to the data tab. In the data validation group, click on data validation button, click on data validation. So click on OK button. So click on clear all button. So click on OK. This is good. All data validation will be cleared. So moving on, next question of this assignment is question number 5. Question number 5 is that add a comment in cell A1 that says unprotect the worksheet before editing. Simply we will click on cell A1 and then we will have to add a comment that says unprotect the worksheet before editing. Click on cell A1 and go to the review tab. In the comments group, click on new comment button. We will type new comment is here. You can copy and paste here, or we will simply type here unprotect the worksheet before editing. The worksheet before editing. Worksheet before editing. You can type comment here. Please focus on my laptop screen. Okay. Simply click on press Ctrl plus Enter to post. So we will post the comment in here. Okay, comment is posting right now. So moving on, next question is question number 6. In question number 6, select the range A2 to L2. Use the macro record to record a macro name sort that sort the record in ascending order based on the member name in column A. Enter 5 in cell A3, 4 in cell A4, 3 in cell A5, 2 in cell A6, 1 in cell A7. Okay. Run the sort macro to test its performance. After testing the macro, delete the sample values in the range A3 to A7. Okay. So, select the range A2 to L2 first. So, the next point is that use the macro record to record a macro name sort. We will go to the View tab. We will go to the View tab first. In the macros group, click on macro button, click on macro record. Okay, macro name is sort. Okay, click on OK button. This worksheet and click on OK button. So the next is that, okay, select the range A2 to L7. We will enter this range. Go to Data tab. In the sort and filter group. 1 second. Okay. Click on sort and filter group. Add label is member name and order is ascending order. You can see ascending order based on the member name in column A. So enter 5 in cell A3, 4 in cell A4, enter 5 in cell A3, 4 in cell A4, 4 in cell A4 and 3 in cell A5 and 2 in cell A6, 3 in cell A5, 2 in cell A6, 2 in cell A6 and then 1 in cell A7. This is good. So the next is that run the sort macro to test its performance. After testing the macro, delete the sample value in the range A3 to A7. We will go to the View tab in the macros group, click on macro button. Okay. Okay. So we will select this range A3 to A7 and delete the sample values. Click on delete button. So moving on, next question of this assignment is question number. Okay, question number 7 is that you can read this question. Ensure the developer tab is enabled. Then create a form control button with the text label sort spanning the cells range C1 to D1 and assign the sort macro. Be sure the label sort displays on the form control button. Okay, ensure the developer tab is enabled. Then create form control button. Okay. We will go to the developer tab in the controls group, click on Z, click on form control button. We will okay. In the range C1 to D1, spanning the cell range C1 to D1, text label sort. We will select sort and click on OK button. So and assign the sort macro. Be sure the label sort display on the form control button. We will simply click on remove this button too, and then we will type sort in this range. We will type sort. Okay, so we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 8. Use the VBA editor to insert a new module named unprotect. To complete this step, either the code as the appears below. Okay, you can see code does not have space between lines. Simply we will use the VBA editor to insert, and we will copy and paste this code. Use the VBA editor to insert a new module. Module name is unprotect. We will go to the view tab in the code group, click on visual button, and then we will type the name of module. Click on insert, click on module, and then we will type first name of module is unprotect. Unprotect. Module name is unprotect. We will copy and paste name here unprotect. So we will copy this codes and paste this code. Copy this complete code and simply paste this code here. So we will close this. Now moving on, next question is question number 9. Insert a new module name is product. To complete this tab, type the code as the appear below. Okay, simply we will have to insert the new module. The new module name is product, and then we will simply copy and paste this code. Okay, we will go to insert button, click on module. The new module name is protect. Module new module name is protect. Okay. Okay, so we will copy this code and simply paste this code here. Okay, so we will save this, click on save button, close this form. Okay, you can see I have done 9 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question is 17. I have done 70% of assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical.